Good morning. Big boy one thing for the 10 months and sussing for 3 months. We're gonna just get right into it, guys and girls and ladies and everyone. Today we are sponsored by, drumroll, NARS. And maybe some of you haven't heard of NARS, but I've been using NARS since I was in high school, like end of high school. As soon as I started shopping at Sephora, really, NARS was one of the first like big brands. And so I've used their products as a staple since, yeah, literally high school and college. I'm here to show you the new Claudette collection. They sent this to me. I'm gonna open it. It's so beautiful. This is a limited edition collection inspired by Claudette, who is an inimitable mother and muse to Francois NARS, who is the founder and creative director of NARS. This collection, I will open it for you guys. Whoa, can you see it? This collection includes a variety of satin and sheer lipsticks, which are all of these right here. I can't believe I'm like doing a makeup sponsor right now. This is blowing my mind. Okay, sheer lipsticks, a cheek duo, which is in this. I'll show you all of them. A variety of satin and sheer lipsticks, a cheek duo in here, and a 6-well eyeshadow palette in there. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing my makeup using some of these. Obviously not all of them because there's like 6 lipstick shades and I can't use them all, you know. But like if you look up close, look how pretty these are. There's 6 of them in here. Here is the here's the blush and and then hold on, I'm gonna take this off. And then 6-well eyeshadow palette.
Hello.
Okay, I may have already opened this and slightly dropped it in the sink, but hopefully that there's no damage on it. Okay, thank goodness. See, over here, got a lot of really... Okay, I was testing out, just like I was looking at it, and then I dropped it in the sink, but you can't see it. I wiped off all of any of the damage. I know, the packaging is, like, amazing. And then, there are so many. They gave me so many lip products. Are you serious? These are all lipsticks right here. Boom, boom, boom. 4 of them here. All right, so the first things first, since I'm gonna do my eyeshadow with this. All right. You are so, thanks, Taker. All right, this is my first time doing eyeshadow on the stream, so if it's bad, it's my fault. Okay, but I'm gonna be really careful about it. All right, so I'm gonna be taking the middle top shade. I even brought a mirror for myself. You guys can see what I do every morning. I'm gonna put it on the like inner crease area. Who is she? Pop off queen. Girl. 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 Can you visit my island? Unfortunately, we're going to Sydney's island, not my island. All right. I'm sorry. And a little on the right eye. Girl. Okay. Maybe even a little of this one. This one is oh, this one's like super sparkly. Oh. Bruh. Mom, I need it. I'm doing makeup sponsorships. Mom! Sorry.
At Fusely 3 month already. Time flies by.
Bretman would be proud. Okay, and then after I do that, okay, and then we're going to take this middle one right here. Okay. And what mascara do I use? I actually don't use mascara. I have lash extensions. Yes, that's how that happens. That is not natural. People are like, oh my God, Leslie, your eyelashes are so long. Heh, cap. Okay, so then we're going to take the middle shade down here. Right here. Oh. All right, don't mess up, Leslie. Okay, it's gonna look like I messed up first, but it's my technique, okay? It's gonna look like a hot mess on my face. It's gonna be eyeshadow down here, but I'm gonna wipe it off, okay? It's just how I do my makeup. I'm messy, so I let myself, instead of trying to be perfect, I just get really messy with it, you know? So like this, I know it looks messy. Okay, it's part of it, okay? Ooh, this pigment. Woo! No, trust. It's trust the process, all right? I was watching, like, trust the process. It's part of it. I promise. I don't know how many people do this, but this is just how I do it. It's gonna look really good. Ooh, okay. Oh, wait, this color is amazing. Oh my, yes, girl. Okay, I know it looks bad. Okay, and then it's gonna look worse for a second. Okay, we're gonna take the darker one. This is the trick. If you guys aren't really good with makeup and you can't like get it all perfect, trust me. Okay, so just get it all over your eye, mess it up. Okay, I know that looks bad, right? Yes, I'm aware. Okay. So then I just take a little makeup remover.
See how the other person looks, Peepo Smash.
Okay. You should see how the other person looks, Peepo Smash. Are you talking about Sid? What do you mean other person? Other person? Okay. And then watch magic. Oh, girl. Who is she? I just wipe it off really lightly. Okay? Okay, sometimes there's a little bit too much. And you kind of mess it up more. But don't worry. You look like you were in a fight. It's my process. Okay? It's how I do it. Oops. Okay, I kind of messed this up. Okay, and well, okay, it's not that bad, okay? Okay, it actually looks kind of good. Now I'm going to pick a lip shade. Him. All right, which one we picking? Should I just pick a color and just commit to it? It might be like something that doesn't really match me. Like a bright red. You know, what if I just go YOLO? I know it might not look great though. I probably want to pick one that looks good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. All right, which one? There's no bright yellows. This 8. All right, I see 7s. Okay, 7s. Okay, we're gonna test this one out. Well, actually, let's swatch it first, cause I don't know if this is my color. I don't know if this is. It's a dark one. I don't know if I really wear dark as much as, we could see how it'd look. I don't wear this color. Honestly.
In order to receive this Twitch Prime, dab now. If you did, pop off Queen.
It's
Who
pretty.
is she? Also, do you look at Insta DMs?
It's pretty. Wow. I look like I'm going to like wow. I mean, it's not bad. It's way better than I thought it would be. It's like a pretty color. Wow, I look mature. I mean, it's not bad. We'll just commit to it. I mean, how often do I get to play with colors like this? Jeanette. That's Jeanette. I was gonna pick a safe color. There are so many like, even that one's like this color. Who is she? Okay. And then let's do, let's add a little bit of bronzer really quickly. Okay. Hopefully I don't mess this up, because sometimes if I put a little too much bronzer, I'll look a little funky. So, let's go. Okay, just light strokes, Leslie. Don't mess it up. You are a makeup queen. Okay. Here we go. Oh? Sorry, you have to make kind of weird faces when you do makeup. Ooh, okay. Go off. Don't judge me. Do not judge. You guys, can you see it? Oh, it smells nice. Y'all might not be able to see it, but it adds like shape to your face. You see that? Oh, it's like a shadow. Ooh. Okay. All right. And then a little bit of blush. I don't want to. So it adds a little bit of color. Ooh. But sometimes, you know, you can add a little too much and then you look a little bit freaky. All right. Not too bad. I kind of popped off. I'm kind of... Okay, I kind of, when I took off my eye makeup, I forgot that I have to put a little bit back of foundation. So I'll be right back. Really fast. I messed up. It looks really good. My makeup looks kind of nice. I don't really, I don't have a great bronzer right now. Or like, it kind of comes on too strong, my bronzer, but like, I'm kind of glowing. Wow, okay. Yeah, it looks kind of good. Wow. All right.
Goose heart.
Sufeng, thank you for the 300 bits. Okay, we're gonna pop into Animal Crossing now.